Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now, park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and put on safety glasses and gloves. Once done, locate the battery and identify positive plus, red, and negative minus black terminals so you avoid cross-contact. Use the correct wrench to loosen the negative terminal clamp first. This prevents shorting. Then remove the positive clamp. Keep clamps away from the battery post. Take a quick photo of the cable routing for reference. This saves time when you reconnect. Now focus on the middle steps. Remove the clamps completely and inspect cables for frayed strands or heavy corrosion. Replace any compromised parts because a tight mechanical and electrical connection matters. Clean the battery posts with a wire brush and a baking soda water paste to neutralize acid. Then rinse and dry so moisture doesn't impair contact. Fit the new terminal clamps squarely onto the posts, tighten to the manufacturer's torque, and apply a thin layer of dielectric grease to slow future corrosion and ensure consistent conductivity. Finish by reconnecting the battery. Attach the positive clamp first, then the negative. This sequence minimizes spark risk. Tighten both clamps to spec and wipe off excess grease. Start the car and verify electronics: headlights, horn, infotainment, and charging voltage. A multimeter should read around 5 volts with the engine running. If it doesn't start or systems are weak, make sure clamps are clean and fully seated. Inspect main fuses and ground strap and retest. A loose or corroded contact is the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.